Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video, the topic is, if I get hurt on somebody else's property, what do I have to prove in order to get a settlement? Okay, so I talked to a guy who got hurt on somebody else's property, and I was interviewing him. You know, I asked a lot of questions during the interview, and really what it came down to is he fell down, but he couldn't identify what caused him to fall. In other words, he didn't know whether the stairs were broken. He didn't know whether the stairs were rickety. He didn't know whether they were slippery. He didn't remember whether it was really dark. None of those facts. So the reason I'm telling you that is that the first thing we have to know is we have to find out what is it that made you fall, right? So if you're on somebody else's property and you just get dizzy and fall down, or you fall down and you can't really identify what made you fall, we really have very little or no chance of getting you money in a case like that, right? Which is why when I interview somebody, we go into great detail, we slow down time and go step by step about exactly what caused you to fall, because what caused you to fall will allow me to tell you whether I think you got a strong case or not, whether we'll be able to prove it or not, okay? So that's number one, is what caused you to fall. The step two is, like, did the owner or manager of the property create the problem that caused you to fall? Like if it's a hole or something like that, or if they're redoing the stairs and they didn't lock the door and you walk out and fall on broken stairs that are being demolished or replaced, that's a very strong case. Or if it's a problem, for example, with stairs or a sidewalk, and the problem had been there for a really long time, okay? Why is that important? Well, the law in Illinois says that if you fall or you're injured due to a condition on the property that is created by the defendant or existed for such a long time that they knew or should have known about it and fixed it, now we're in the running for a case. And those are really the things that I'm looking for in a fall down case, and those are the things we're going to talk about, right? And that's what you need to know. So if you fell and you have no idea what caused you to fall, sometimes it's a good idea to go back to the place where you fell and take some photos and think about it and try and remember exactly what you were doing, right? Photos can and a visit back to the scene can help jog your memory before you call a lawyer and consult with an attorney. And this is what I'll say, even if you are confused about exactly what made you fall, with photos, an attorney can review the photos and help jog your memory and help ask you questions to help clarify exactly what happened, and then maybe you'll have a case or claim, right? You know, fall down cases are quite complicated, and I always tell people it's a really, really, really good idea to talk to a lawyer in any kind of injury on property. And I do a lot of them, and I do quite well on them. So if you or a loved one has fallen and you need an injury lawyer who handles fall down cases, you know, I offer a free consultation 24/7. You can call me at 312-500-4500. I'm sorry, 312-500-4500. I said it right. And obviously free consultation anytime, night or day. And if you enjoy my videos and you wouldn't mind leaving me a 5-star review on Google, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can do that. I'd really appreciate it if you're a current or former client or you enjoy my videos. And last thing is, if you enjoy my videos and you want to see more or be notified when a new one comes out, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell and like the video. Or if you hated the video, vote it down. Last thing, if you have a question that you want me to answer in this video format, just leave it down below in the comment section and I will shoot a video answering your question. And then this way other people will have the answer to the question too, and you'll be helping other people as well, which is just a nice thing to do. So thank you for watching. Have a great day, and let me know if I can be of assistance. Take care.